Onalenna, your question goes, remember, in 30 seconds. According to the latest research, women are the demographic most affected by gambling. What do you think is the cause of this? And what do you think needs to be done to address it?
According to history, women are the most into gambling, and this can be improved by encouraging and teaching them that gambling is just for fun and not to survive, and they should focus more on their future and not on making money and gambling things which won't make progress. Thank you.